Hi, I'm Lincoln Edwards, and I'm one half of the Austin Flipsters. You know, I do a lot of the investment analysis, deal sourcing, negotiating. I help sell the properties on the back end, and I help oversee the construction along with our project managers. Half the magic of making a flip happen is finding the right property that can be flipped, so there's a lot that goes into that. So unfortunately, we're always fighting sort of a stigma that flips are cheap products. A lot of the things we do to combat that are using high value materials, so not necessarily cheap stuff or expensive stuff, stuff that has a lot of quality for a great price point. So UFP-Edge's thermally modified siding adds a ton of value to this house. Right up front, it's that curb appeal. So it's the first thing you notice about the house. We did it in a two-tone and a mixed horizontal and vertical stack. So it's really striking when you first see the house visually. It has a really nice natural wear to it and a look that just grows with the house, and you can appreciate more and more over time.